Hello everyone and welcome back to the Vintage Vacuum Cleaner Deep Clean Tests. Today we've got something. We've got an TheBOSS SuperLite model B401 from a year that I can't remember. Hang on, just let me check. 2003. There we go. I knew I should have looked that up before I started filming. So this beast, this absolute beast of a vacuum cleaner has got a mighty 200 watts. Whoa, 200 watts, that is an awful lot of power. But it does have a motor-driven brush roll. Oh yes. Now I have converted this one. As you can see, there is a bag in there. It's a cloth bag because the filter that sat at the back of this container was absolutely knackered, so I had to do a bag conversion, which should ironically help it, but we'll see. How's this going to do? There is only one way to find out, and that is, you know what it is, it's to test. Let's do it. Step 1, thoroughly clean the test carpet with the Shark AX950 UKT. Step 2, weigh out exactly 100 grams of sand. Step 3, sprinkle the sand onto the test carpet. Step 4, agitate the sand into the carpet using a brush. Any sand that comes outside of the game area is pushed back in. And we are ready to test. Okay, let us weigh the SuperLite's dust container. Let's lay that down. And we start with, oh, very heavy, 476. Right, let's write that down. Okay, let's see what 200 watts of raw twin motor power gets us in this test. Good luck, little SuperLite. I think you're going to need it. Anyway, let's do this thing. Alexa, timer 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting now.
Alexa, stop. Okay, let's weigh the bin, see what we got. Well, we started with the 476, and let's see what we ended up with. 572, very impressive. Well, that just goes to show you that you do not need 2000 watts in your vacuum cleaner. You do not need a ridiculously sized motor to clean really well. Keep it simple, keep it efficient, and you get a 96% test result from the tiny little TheBOSS SuperLite, which is absolutely amazing. So well done, SuperLite. You have not disgraced yourself, and actually I think you are absolutely top tier. Not quite sure what the result would have been if, say, you'd vacuumed your entire house with it first and you'd had the original filtration system in the back there. Probably wouldn't have reached 96, but hey, let's not split hairs. It's a great result. Well done, you. And as for you guys, as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.